right, so if you have gotten to this point, then you have done very well. Now you can see that we are in the Mysterium VPN homepage now. Now one of the things you're going to notice here is that the status here shows disconnected. Of course, before we start our work, we will have to connect it. But before we do anything about connection, there are two warnings that I want you to take note of. The very first one is that anytime you're working with this app, anytime you want to do your survey, the first thing I want you to do is that if you minimize your phone, now you can see here that I have only two windows opened here. Is the Mysterium VPN itself, and then this other window that I'm using to record this screen. Now, if not because I'm recording this screen, I would actually have closed this particular screen also. So you want to make sure that it's only the app screen that is working, or the tab of the app that is working. Every other tab, as much as possible, close all of them. That is the first thing. Then the second thing you want to do is that you want to go to the settings of your phone. Let me find my own settings. Alright, so this is my settings. I'm going to tap on that. Now, the next thing you want to do here is that you want to go to location here. Alright, so once you get here, you're going to say see all. Now you can see here that my location, I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4 different apps that is showing location here. So I will switch them up. I want to make sure that this whole place is empty. Okay, so for example, if I click on Facebook here, you can see permission. I'm going to come to permission here, and then I'm going to just come to location here. I'm going to deny. In fact, see all app with permission. Now you can see all the ones that I've denied there. Now, as much as possible, make sure you deny every other app here. Okay, so I'm going to come back here. I'm going to deny it, and I'm going to come here. In fact, as much as possible, deny everything deniable. Deny everything deniable. Okay, I want to just deny everything. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. I'm denying everything. But what is most important is that you want to deny the location. So you can see now that no permission is allowed for Facebook. So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to come to this other one here, permission. Again, I'm going to deny permission. Deny anyways. So I'm going to deny it. I'll come back here again. This also, I will come here, permission. I'm going to deny it. So you can see that I'm denying everything. Deny. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that I deny every permission. Every permission, I'm going to deny them. Alright, so once you deny them, you also want to come back to where else again? Let's come back here. Let's come to, just want to be on the safe side. Apps and notification. Again, permission manager. So everything I'm trying to achieve here is that I want to make sure that none of my app is permitted to see my location. That is all I'm trying to achieve here. Okay, so here you can see my maps. I'm going to deny it also. Google, I'm going to deny it. So you can see that for location now, no app is allowed to view my location. So these are the two things you want to achieve. Once you achieve that, then we go to the next step of this tutorial. So get that done, and then let's go to the next lesson.